3 plus 7. We solve what we have in the parentheses first, and this gives 10. 6 times 10 is 60. So that means 60 divided by 60 equals 1, which is wrong. When we are solving any question like this, we are using the PEMDAS rule, which says we are to solve the parentheses first, then the exponent, then multiplication and division. They are on the same hierarchy. Same thing applies to addition and subtraction. That means whenever multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. Also, whenever addition and subtraction appear together, you solve from left to right. So now let's solve this the right way.
Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where we break down tricky math concepts into clear, step-by-step lessons you can understand in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
We have 60 divided by 6 bracket 3 plus 7. Now parentheses first, right? So this becomes 60 divided by 6 bracket 10. Bracket is the same thing as multiplication. So this gives 60 divided by 6 times 10. And now this is where we apply the left to right rule. We have to solve from left to right. Since division is appearing first, we have to divide before we multiply. That means 60 divided by 6. This gives 60 divided by 6 gives 10. So we say 10 times 10, and the answer here will be 100 and not 1. So you solve from left to right. To be sure that you understand what I just explained, try this: 30 divided by 3 bracket 5 plus 5, and leave your answer in the comment.